will benefit from the breezes of mercy in the month of Ramadan. And this is what Allah Jalla wa Ala says, أَلَمْ يَأْنِ لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَن تَخْشَعَ قُلُوبُهُمْ لِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ. Is it not time for those who believe that their hearts are humble in the zikr of Allah, in the remembrance of Allah Jalla wa Ala? Sayyidina Malik bin Dinar radiallahu ta'ala, a famous scholar of Islam from Atba'u Tabi'in. This man was known for his lectures. Every night he used to deliver lectures, and his lectures were very heart-wrenching lectures. People used to cry and shed tears in his lectures. One night he stood before his students and they saw that his eyes were filled with tears. He was crying. Suddenly he started to smile. People asked him, what happened to you? They were confused. What had happened to him? He was crying and then he is smiling. He said, and this is the first time he mentioned this to his students, he said, do you know my story, O people? They said, what story? He said, I was a drunkard. I was a filthy drunkard, evil person, and I was also a police officer, policeman. He said, one day I was in the streets of Basra and I saw two people arguing, and I asked them, why are you arguing? One man said that I bought a gift for my daughter and this man stole it. He said that I helped the man who bought the gift for his daughter, and I made sure, since he was a police officer, he said, I gave him the gift and he took the gift, he thanked me. I said to him that, give my salam to your daughter and tell her to make dua for me. Because he was an evil person, an oppressor, a drunkard, who never worshipped Allah Jalla wa Ala. He said, I went home, but then I started to think, I told this person to convey my salam to your daughter. If only I had a daughter, why don't I have a daughter? I should get married. Then he said, who will marry me? I'm a sinful person. Everyone knows me as an oppressor, drinks alcohol, and so who will give their daughter to me? Then he said, I decided that I will buy a slave girl and then I will free her and I will do nikah with her. So he actually bought a slave girl and then he did nikah with her. He freed her. From that slave girl, Allah blessed him with a daughter, and the daughter's name was Fatima bint Malik bin Dinar. He said, I fell in love with her. So he said, every night when I would come home, I would play with her. And he said, I had a bottle of wine that I used to keep with me. I used to drink wine all the time. And then I would place it aside and I would play with it. And sometimes she would pick up the wine bottle and she would push it away. He said, I would never get angry at her because I loved her. And it wouldn't annoy me because she's my daughter. I loved her so much. But this didn't change me. Allah blessed me with a daughter. Nothing happened to me. I continued with my bad deeds and my sins. One night I was drunk and I came home and I picked her up and I started to throw her in the air. He said I used to play with her every night, but because I was drunk, she fell and she died. She passed away. After her death, now remember, these are signals from Allah. These are opportunities. These are the breezes of mercy, sometimes in the form of a loss of a loved one that changes your life. Even this can be a breeze of mercy. Some people, what happens to them, if they are tested by Allah Jalla wa Ala, it brings a change in their life. Their entire life changes. They become pious. And then there are many people, you will find many people in dunya, but rather than becoming pious, when something like this happens to them, they become even worse than what they were before. This is exactly what happened to Malik bin Dinar. He said, my daughter died. After her death, I increased in sinning. I became a greater transgressor, a greater drunkard. He became more evil than what he was before. So then one night, I was asleep and I had a dream. In my dream, I saw that the book of deeds that was given to me, it was given to me in my left hand. That's when I realized it's a day of judgment. And then when the book of deeds was given to me in my left hand, he said, I saw a big snake, a huge black snake, about to attack me. He said, I ran away. The snake was chasing me. And then I saw an old man standing there. I asked the old man, a very big person, I said, help me. He said, look how big the snake is. Look how big the snake is. How can I help you? I'm a big person. He said, I ran away. I kept running. And then suddenly I saw these big hills, beautiful tall mountains. He said, I went to the top of the mountain and I saw little children playing, and with the little children was my daughter Fatima. She was playing with them. The moment my daughter saw me, she came running towards me. She embraced me, she hugged me, she loved me. She saw that black huge snake that was chasing me was about to attack me. She pointed at the snake. She said, go away. Fatima said, Ya abati, Ya abati, O father of mine. Alam ya'nini alladhina amanu an takhsha'a qulubuhum li zikrillah. Same Quranic verse. Has the time not come for the believers that their hearts are humbled at the remembrance of Allah Jalla wa'ala? She recited this verse of the Quran. Has the time not come? He said, I woke up. That was the first day after 17 years. I performed wudu and I offered salah. I went to the house of Allah. He said, when I went to the masjid, who was leading salah? It was Imam Hassan al-Basri radiallahu ta'ala, the famous teacher of Malik bin Dinar radiallahu ta'ala. And which verse of the Quran was he reciting in salah? Alam ya'nini alladhina amanu an takhsha'a. These are the breezes of mercy. These are the breezes of mercy that will touch you. These are the signals. You say that, oh, my lost cause, it's impossible. It won't happen to me. Many Ramadans have come and they've passed. Alam ya'nini alladhina amanu an takhsha'a qulubuhum li zikrillah. He said Hassan al-Basri was reciting the same verse of the Quran that I saw my daughter reciting. That changed his life. And then he became the Imam of the A'immah of Islam. One of the greatest Imam in the Islamic history is Malik bin Dinar radiallahu ta'ala from the Atba'u Tabi'in. Brothers and sisters in Islam, the message for all of us tonight is to catch the signals from Allah. To catch these breezes of mercy that is mentioned by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.